In 2024, we know that paying rent or mortgage are both huge expenses. But what if you could pay those expenses using a credit card and earning reward points all at the same time? Welcome back to Edupreneur Diaries, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how to do exactly that using the Bilt Mastercard. So hit the subscribe button, stick around, and let's get started. So I heard about the Bilt Mastercard a little while back, but I did not look into it until recently when I was in Erica Kohlberg's Savings Challenge. So I decided to dig a little deeper to learn a little bit more about this card. So the ultimate goal of this card is for consumers to use it on rent so that they can earn reward points, right? But of course, I wanted to know, was I able to also use it for mortgage? Because I no longer have rent, I now have mortgage. So stick around to the end because I'm going to let you know if I was able to successfully use this card for mortgage. All right, so let's talk a little bit more about the card and how it works. So we're going to scroll down here. This is actually a website that has more information about the Bilt Mastercard. And what they do is when you get this card, it also generates an ACH or an account number and a routing number. That's the word I'm looking for. An account number and a routing number. So you can actually use this for ACH payments. So when you go to your rental portal, or we'll talk about later if the mortgage works, you can enter your routing number and your account number that you get from the Bilt card and use that in order to pay your rent. Now it also gives you the option here to get your paper check sent to your landlord as well. So that's another option. We're going to scroll on down and take a look at the points. So how many points do you get for your different categories? So you get 1 point for paying your rent. So for every dollar is 1 point. For travel, you're going to get 2 times the points. And then for dining, you're going to get 3 times the points. All of the purchases are going to be 1 point, and then 2 times points on purchases made through the Bilt travel portal. All right. Now, the only kicker to this is you do have to swipe your card a minimum of 5 times throughout the statement period in order to earn these points. And using it for rent counts as one of those 5 times. And again, we'll talk about whether or not mortgage works here in just a second. Let's take a look at another article that talks about the advantages as well as some disadvantages to the card. So this is an no annual fee card, okay, and no foreign transaction fee card as well. Also looking on down here, you're able to transfer your points through travel, and that's going to be airline travel and hotels, so that's a plus. But the downside here, it says that there's no welcome offer. So as we know, a lot of credit cards give you welcome offers as an incentive to get you to join, right? This one does not have that, but I think it's still okay, and I would definitely keep using it even though it doesn't have a welcome bonus, okay? So again, this here shows you the points. All right, so let's jump over to my Bilt Reward login. I've actually logged in, and okay, now is the time that you've all been waiting for. Was I able to pay my mortgage using the Bilt card? Let's take a look. So as you can see, I've already earned points. Now I just got my card, I believe the very end of March. So I actually attempted to pay my mortgage April 1st, and May 1st. Today is May 2nd. So I'm going to click on View All so you can actually see my transactions. We're going to go to March. So I started out by using my card for fast food, and I do believe that I'm primarily going to use it for fast food. Now there's also something called rent day. So on the first of every month, the first day of the month, when you swipe your card for those categories, you're going to earn 3 times the points. I do believe it's 3 times the points. So I think I'm primarily going to use mine for food. And also, we're going to find out about the mortgage. So in March, here are my transactions. In April, here are my